Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss about how we create our files with CMD. So first, create a folder where we do our tasks. Inside this, I go for CMD, open command prompt in this particular folder. Now start with how we create a file. So for that, we can create a file in two ways. First, an empty file or with a content file. So first create an empty file. For that, echo dot space less than and your file name with extension. Okay, so file name like text.txt. Text is my name and .txt is the file extension. So now let's press enter. Here it create a empty file. Now for open this empty file, we can only write that text.txt, or we can use notepad space text.txt. Both are open in your notepad. Anyone you can do, it's open in notepad only. So now let's create a content file. For that, we can again type echo and space. Now give your content like I am giving hello world, and then less than and your text file name or doc file. You want to create a doc file, you can create your doc file. For that, you have to give that documents file extension. So I create a text file only. For that, file.txt, enter. Now for see the content inside our file, we can use type. We use type command. We use type command and our file name, that file.txt. Here we can see that we write that content in our text file, inside our text file. This is print here that particular content of this text. Now suppose we want to delete this text and rewrite or overwrite any other content. For that, again type echo and type this file is test file, and then less than wait a minute, less than, and then that file name with extension in which you write this content, or that file.txt, enter. Okay, now again see, we use up and down arrow for previous command and down arrow for next command. Okay, this is the test. If you add more content but you don't overwrite this content, like you want this content available in this file text file, as well as you can add more content. For that, echo hello world or anything you want to add in your content, then echo your content and double like less than, double less than, and that file name. Okay, now press enter. Again check, here both the files are present. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our gossipfunda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box, please check out. Thank you.